Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, in this video I am going to be trying out these dotted art earrings. You guys, I got this idea from a friend of mine on Facebook. Her name is Miss April. You guys, her stuff is amazing. She's also in the craft group. Be sure to check that out on Facebook. Crafting is my hobby, all one word. But you guys, look at these. These turned out so good. So good. So good. And I end up putting some holographic glaze on it. So it just shines and shimmers as well, you guys. I actually found this to be really easy, simple, but so cute. I am in love with this, you guys. Now I did glaze them, and I did put this on it. So I don't know if you want to say if that's like double glazing it. It could be double glazing it. I don't know. But you guys, I'm still in the middle of converting my garage to my craft space. So far so good. I have a divider up, and now I've been trying to find ways to do lighting. Y'all, okay, that's another video. I'm getting that together. It's gonna get together because y'all, I'm gonna have to take another break because I gotta take all this stuff into the garage. But yeah, but look at these, you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let me know what you guys think, and then I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, so to start, I went on ahead and coated both my sides and the edges. What is this, like 2-inch squares, I believe. And I also went on ahead and did the same thing with the 3-inch wood circles. I went on ahead and coated them. So now I can just get rid of this. Okay, so I also went and gathered up some circle objects. So this was my I don't know, a paper thing for paper beading. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I'm going to be using this for the circle. I'm going to also use the glue stick. This has a good circle on it. I've got a Q-tip right here. I have the edge of this, and also the end of that. You guys, I could not find my toothpicks for nothing. Oh, but I did just find and my actual dotting tool. So I'm going to be using this as well. This has the little dots on both sides. So for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test out these dots, just to even see like what size they are. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead, put a little bit of paint up in here, and test the size. Now I will be putting a little bit of water in these paints. So first off, let's see the dotting tool. Okay, that's tiny. Let's see the other end. Okay, that's a little bit bigger. Let me wipe that off. Alright, got that all cleaned up. Let's do the little beater. What's up? Did not do like okay, I'm not gonna use this. This thing is like, it's not doing a perfect circle. Like it's y'all can see that it's like smearing. It's not like the first two, like the dotting tool. So this one, you are eliminated. Sorry, weakest link. Now let's try the end of this. Okay, that works. And that one did a little bit bigger. Ooh, get off. Okay, let's see. Okay, that did a huge circle. I'm going to keep that. Gotta clean it out. Okay, let's try this straw. No, not really feeling. No, not feeling the straw. So the straw is out too. So it's looking like I have pretty much. Let me see the glue stick. Alright, look like I pretty much got 3 sizes. Because I'm going to go with the glue stick. I'm going to go with my dotting tool. And that's it. I'm not going with nothing else. All these other things was fails. Let me see. Let me see what this is looking like. Okay, no, I'm going to go with the Q-tip too. Q-tip is on point. Q-tip is on point. Okay, so I figured out what I'm going to use. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my colors together. I'll probably end up doing these little ones first. I'm going to get my colors together and then I'll be right back.